having people build something is really the way I can see people, how their faces change. That something is happening with the people. I can really in a short time see how people's eye start to shine and how their faces keep smiling and how people are engaged and they forget the surrounding and how they come up with ideas in 4 hours and they come up with ideas like, wow, fantastic, I never thought that I'd come up with these ideas. So you use a Lego brick, which is used as a metaphor. Just the brick is just a metaphor what you use, and to unlock emotional potential. So you use the power of intuition to say something, to develop new ideas, to say something you would probably not have thought about. And what we try to do is use the Lego brick, to something like that. Use the Lego brick and build a model that reflects what you understand. I can tell you one story. There's one person that really inspired me. I met this person and he was so happy. He was like glowing from inside. And it was not because he was wealthy or he was just well dressed something. It wasn't just because he was just smiling. The way he was going through life was just. And I asked him, why are you doing that? Why are you in the food industry? Why are you doing something like where you work extra hours and you stand in the business and it's like franchise in the food industry is really, really tough. And I said because I really love what I'm doing. And that's the reason why I still work 60, 70 hours is because I love it. And that was so inspiring for me because the way he smiled and he was walking through life, that was a life-changing moment for me inside. The person found what he's burning for. I want to have the same. I'm pretty sure once you found what you really love for, what you really love, you will stop working.